Before we dive into the 0 to 10K roadmap, you're probably asking yourself, why should I listen to this guy? Well, the truth is, first, I'm going to tell you the truth. Second, I've built multiple online businesses using YouTube as a traffic source to build an email list, to do affiliate marketing, to go from nothing to profit. And third, I know this works and I'm super excited to share it with you. First thing I want to do is take a look at this and talk about how long. This is the biggest hurdle that everyone has when they're over here at 0. Everyone starts at 0. Anyone that starts a brand new business looking to get to 10K starts at 0. Then you move over here to your first dollar, or we'll call that your first sale. The time it takes to go from 0 to your first dollar is different for everyone. But understand that it gets faster the more that you learn and the more that you understand about the process. Understanding that you need a system, and inside that system, there are strategies and techniques and tactics to understanding how to get people over to the solution that you're trying to offer them, which, if you step back and you think about this for a second, affiliate marketing in and of itself is just making a recommendation. You identify a problem and then you say, for a group of people that have this problem, this product is a solution. And you create content in the aspect of doing YouTube videos or creating content anywhere and getting quote unquote free traffic. Or even if you run ads and let people know about solution, you're still creating content to identify a problem, show people that you can help them, and get them to trust your recommendation. So how long does it take to go from 0 to $1? It depends. No one can tell you. And if anyone does tell you that they're going to get you from 0 to $1 or 0 to your first $100 in a specific amount of time, it's not going to work. Now understand that if the focus is, for example, I can show you exactly how to build a profitable online business in 9 steps, and you could do that in 9 days or less, there's nothing wrong with saying that, because inside of my affiliating profitable online business roadmap that follows the proven strategy of first understanding that you need traffic to an offer, and then the goal is to add people to an email list, because that's where you actually start making profit, or you increase your chances of going from 0 to $1 to 100 to 1,000 to $10,000, is by building an email list so you can communicate with the people that you found down here. When you pick the topic, you understand the tools, the tech, and the time to generate consistent content, which again identifies the problem and leads people to the solution. Leading people to the solution is about letting them know that you have an offer that helps them solve their problem, and then put them on an email list. And again, when we talk about this, we're looking at it in the fact of, look, we want to automate this because we want passive income, and passive income doesn't mean you don't have to do any work. It just means in the early stages, you do the work and you set up the systems following proven strategies, tactics, and techniques to automate it using software that allows you to get traffic or views on your YouTube videos. People see that you are helping them. They click the link in your description. They go over to your Super Simple Squeeze page. They get on your email list, and automatically they are sent an email. You don't need to actively do that once you set it up. Once you've built it once, it becomes passive because the machine, the system, is doing the work for you. So we go back to this concept of this idea of going from 0 to $10,000. And a lot of people think that the jump looks like that. And their big question is, how long does it take me to go from 0 to 10,000? And this doesn't mean that you have to go through $1, through $100, through $1,000 to get to 10,000. If you were to sell one product that was $10,000, then you would make $10,000 on your very first sale. But if you were to sell multiple $100 products, do the math of how many times you'd have to sell that product to get to $10,000. And again, I want to be real with you and show you something real. This is inside my Pay Kickstart, and this is for one product that I promoted. And as you can see, in 2019, it was 0. In 2022, it was 2,800. Then in 2021, or in 2020, it was 2,800. Then in 2021, 2,800, 2022, 2,200, 2023, 2,800. That's about $2,500 or $2,500 a year to get me to $10,000 for that one product, which takes me back to this board and what I want to explain to you in this system. To go from zero to your first dollar, it's a transition about understanding that you need to focus on what it takes to understand that you are at zero and be okay with thinking, I need to put in the work to think about getting to that first dollar, to getting to that first sale. And then if you sell a $100 product or a $1,000 product, that's fine. That's going to get you over here that much quicker. And it's going to answer the question, how long? Well, as soon as you make a first sale, second sale, third sale, depending on the price. But how long are you going to spend to actually understand the strategy of generating traffic? And I recommend YouTube, getting started here on YouTube, picking a topic, understanding the certain tools, the tech, and the time to generate the consistent content, even just your first video, which you could technically make money from, but most likely not, to then move up here to the next foundational phase of offer and understand that you need to let people know about your offer with a super simple lead magnet. Then think about creating a bonus to increase your chances of converting the people that see your offer. Then over here, you saw that I made $10,000 from one offer. Think about the other offers that you're going to have to start offering people. Once you add those people to your email list, and yes, you're going to be able to automate that, but ultimately what you want to do is get to step 9. And again, could you do this in one day? Yes. Could you make your first sale in one day? Yes. Most likely, will it take you 9 days to understand how to put all the pieces in place? More than likely, 9 days is a good framework. Are you guaranteed to make $10,000 in 9 days? Absolutely not. Could you? Possible. Probably most likely not going to happen. And that's really the big takeaway from this video, in my opinion. The focus has to be on understanding that you need to build a certain set of skills. You need to understand that there are certain rules to this game. I have 10 profit wormhole rules from Non-Earner to Potential Millionaire, and I walk through all of these 10 rules in my profit wormhole workshop, which is essentially just about getting to profit through a wormhole once you understand the rules. And wormhole in this case is just a play on words, meaning a shortcut. And the shortcut is simply just understanding that systems are required, rules to the game are part of the thing that you need to learn and understand. Then you need to understand the strategy inside of those systems, the tactics and the techniques to implement the things that you need to implement, the rules that you need to learn and understand and study, and just focus on actually helping people. To go from zero to $10,000 is simple once you understand it. Actually, it even goes from simple to easy once you put all the pieces in place and understand the rules and the system. So what's the secret? The secret is simply to just narrow your focus, clear away all the clutter that you probably have in your mind from everything that you've learned from all the free resources and possibly even some paid resources, and get serious about putting in the work, the time, and the effort to go from zero to $10,000. And that's the truth. Link in the description. Check it out. I'll walk you through some more of these truths and these rules that you need to understand, as well as make you an offer to join me in a 30-day workshop to work out building your own system to make money online. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.